I am on a roll. It took Steve weeks to do one solar project. I'm on my second project of the day. I don't know what to tell him. So, up above here, this chintzy wallpaper has been peeling and coming down for a while. You can see, oh, well, I guess we need to put the slide out a tiny bit because our lights have fallen. But we have these little tiny fairy lights. And so we hook them onto tiny little hooks right at the top. So I don't know if the little hooks were too much weight for whatever flimsy glue was holding that in place, or if it's just a matter of time before it comes down anyway. I think I've talked to you before about the decor in here and how I'm not super fond of it anyway. So it would be great if we just ripped all of that down and put something else. But I'm not really that ambitious. It would be nice if we could give the camper to someone for 2 weeks, and when we got it back, it would be all white and gray in here. And they had fun doing it, and it didn't cost me a dime. So if that's you, if you like to do projects like that, I've got a camper for you. In the meantime, I'm going to use some Elmer's rubber cement, and I'm going to glue this all back up. Whew. Brings back childhood memories. Did you ever paint your hands with this when you were a kid in school?
Yeah. Like roll balls with it?
Well, you just paint like your whole hand with it, and then you let it dry, and I don't know why you do it, but you do it. So, whoops, shit. First off, I just fuck it up. This is why I don't really want to do the entire camper, because I'm not super crafty. So, in my very first couple of minutes, I messed it up. I should have read the directions. Do you put it on both sides? Like on the paper and the wood?
I literally haven't used this since I was a child, so.
Me either. I'm going to try that. I'm going to put it on the glue. Oh, it's already drying on my finger. I'm going to put it on the glue and on the paper. And a little bit on the ceiling just for good measure.
That way we can remember your project.
Mm-hmm. That's how I roll. Whoops.
Yeah, I see that.
I didn't mean to do that one. Well, as it turns out, it doesn't work that great. So, I'm not really sure what else to try. I do have a ton of glue on my fingers. I'm calling it a wrap. It's not that great. It doesn't really want to hold. I put a whole bunch of glue on it, and I keep on smoothing out the air bubbles, but it doesn't really want to hold. I think I'll keep my fingers here for a couple minutes. So I'm going to call it good. It's a little wrinkly. It's not the very best. So like I said, if you know how to do this and you want to fix our camper up, I think we might be gone for a few months in November. Teaser alert. So, I think that there would be time. If you want to make our camper white and gray, come on. You can use it and fix it up.